ngibuyele emarubheni, erubhini angibuyeli maye mina ngiyala, erubhini angibuyeli mna maye mina ngiyala, erubhini angibuyeli maye mina ngiyala, erubhini angibuyeli maye mina ngiyala, ngiyabuza nginitshela indaba emarubheni, ngiyabuza nginitshela indaba emarubheni, ngiyabuza nginitshela indaba emarubheni, ngiyabuza nginitshela indaba emarubheni, ngake ngabuyela erubhini kaTolomguba.
Inyumba yayingekho eAfrika, intandane yayingekho eAfrika, begodu kungakho nawutholakala ubiza umuntu ngenyumba nofana ngentandane lokha kungakafika abondlebe ezikhanya ilanga, bekuba mlando lokho, bekuba liqala. Bowubizwa bavikeli nabalweli besintu ukuthi uzokupharwa ngomlandu loyo bese uhlawuliswe nangabe mhlambe ihlawulo lakho akusikukufa. Ngesintu umuntu nawumthukako, umuntu nawumhlambalazako, umthela ngehlamba, kulokha nawumbiza ngoburhole bakhe, njengalokha nawuthi umuntu yinyumba, kulokha nawumbiza ngobujamo angakghoni ukubutjhugulula, njengalokha nawuthi umuntu yintandane, ubujamo angaphasi kwabo, nalokha umuntu nawuthi libuya ngombana abuya emendweni, yihlamba leyo. Kodwana umuntu uyabizwa ngesigaba akiso, njengokuthi umuntu lisokana, umuntu msana, umuntu mntazana, lithelerina, ziingaba lezo. Ngombana ngekwesintu iminyaka ayisebenzi, iminyaka yomuntu ayi-exist. Ukuthi umuntu una-16 years akutjho ukuthi uyakhwalifaya ukuthi akhambe ayokuthomba. Zikhona izinto ezenza ukuthi umntwana akhwalifayele ukuthi ayokuthomba, ingasi iminyaka, ukuthi nje sekalungele ukuthi angaya esigabeni esinye sepilo abe lapho. Ubunyumba nofana ubuntandani zizinto ezenzeke nazokufika abondlebe ezikhanya ilanga. Besazi ukuthi into leyo ingenzeka, kungakho sakha isintu. Idwendwe nobukhazi ngizo egade zikhandela ukuthi umuntu angabi yinyumba. Ngiyo ingoma ekhandela ukuthi umuntu angabi yintandane. Ngombana idwendwe nobukhazi ayifani ne-white wedding. Umuntu nakatjhade ngerogo elimhlophe akafani nalo ofakwe ngentendeni waba nonomyezana, akufani. Ungacabanga ukuthi kuyafana kodwana akufani ngombana iminqopho yakhona ihlukile. Nasikhuluma nge-white wedding, sikhuluma ngesiko elakhwa yikolo yamaKrestu, isiko eliphethe abondlebe ezikhanya ilanga. Kodwana nasikhuluma ngedwendwe nobukhazi, sikhuluma ngesintu. Abondlebe ezikhanya ilanga zinengi izinto abangazisisiko nofana abangazaziko. Abazi ubulili, gender and sex, abazi ukuthi khuyini umfazi, khuyini indoda. Kungakho mihla namalanga ba-creator imithetho ehlangahlanganisa abantu naziza ekutheni indoda khuyini, umfazi khuyini. Abondlebe ezikhanya ilanga abazwisisi ubuzwe, isizwe, umphakathi, umndeni, abezimu. Abakwazi koke lokho. Kungakho banganalo ihlelo lokuphila elifaka ubungoma, nje i-spirituality, ngendlela isintu sakheke ngakhona, ngombana isintu bungoma phelele. Isintu sizijamele, asifuni umfundisi, asifuni ikolo yamaKrestu. Umuntu nakaphetha isintu usuke ahlangene nozimakhe. Abondlebe ezikhanya ilanga abazwisisi umoya, kungakho bathi till death do us apart. Bafunga ukuthi bona nabazokutjhadana, bazokuthandana until omunye abhoreke, bese mhlambe afeke, bese isivumelwano leso siyaphuka. Lo munye osaphila ngokwenyama angaragela phambili ayokutjhada nomunye umuntu. Nofana umuntu lokha nasele abhorwa ngilo omunye uyakghona ukumtlhala indaba ye-divorce, kungakho i-exista ephasini. Kodwana ngokwesintu ayikho into enjalo, ayikho i-divorce. Begodu umuntu wamtjhada, it's not till death do us apart. Even nangemva kokuthi omunye abhubhe nofana boyi-2 abantu abo babhubhe, kusese ne-commitment, kusese nesivumelwano, kusese nokuhlangana kwabantu. Kungakho sinobukhazi. Ubukhazi it's a ritual eqinisekisa ukuthi abantu nofana imindeni emibili iyahlangana ngokomoya. Nanoma omunye angakwata, arembule azibethe phasi, nanoma omunye angafa, nangale kwepilo ubukhazi buqinisekisa lokho. Kungakho umuntu nakaphahlako, akaphahli athi bogogo akhulume bese asikime akhamba ayokhunye. Nasiphahlako sithi zimu nabezimu, bogogo nabobamkhulu. Okutjho ukuthi ugogo nabobamkhulu labo ma-couples, babantu abatjhadanako before wena, abantu abakubelethako ukuthi wena ufike namhlanje. Nale nepilweni nangepilweni yabezimu basesekhona, basatjhadene, kusese ne-commitment. That's why kunguzimu nabezimu, bogogo nabobamkhulu. It's not a matter of omunye ufile sekumele ukuthi ngisuke la ngikhona. Ubuntandane abukho ngesintu. No one was an orphan and no one was barren before white people came. Isintu siqinisekisa ukuthi wonke umfazi uba ngumma, whether ubelethile umntwana nofana akakambelethi. Kungakho idwendwe nobukhazi ziqinisekisa ukuthi umuntu akabi yinyumba, umuntu akabi yintandane. Njani? Idwendwe nobukhazi zithatha umuntu omntazana zimenze umma. Umuntu ongumma akusimumuntu obelethileko kwavundla umntwana embelekweni yakhe. Umuntu ongumma mumuntu ovunule iinthimba zakosobantu. Into ekwenza ukuthi ube ngumma akusikuthi uvundle umntwana embelekweni yakho. It's not giving birth, kodwana lidwende nobukhazi. Okutjho ukuthi ungakhamba uyokwenda iveke le, nawufika lapho sowungumma, whether ulikhosingwana, a virgin, or bunganayo umntwana, but sowungumma. And nakusasa nakuvela into ethize, uzokujama unzinze njengomma wemzini loyo. Nakusasa nangatholakala ukuthi kunomntwana kose ukuthi ayokuthomba, nofana umntwana kose ukuthi ayokuwela, mhlawumbe ummakhe or whoever bekose ukuthi amjamele wabhubha, uzomjamela wona njengomma, ngombana vele ungumma kuye. Kungakho amasikopilo wedwendwe nobukhazi a-include indaba yokuthi there's a time whereby umuntu nakendako bampha umntwana emzini loyo, bathi awa simpha umntwana. That symbol of umndeni wakho lo, umndeni wakho omutsha, nawuthatha umuntu okhona la epilweni bese bakuphena bathi nangu umntwana wakho, bese wena kose ukuthi umkhube, umthengele izipho ezithize, umbathise. Yi-ritual eza ekutheni sowungumma, begodu ukubeletha kwakho nokungabelethi kwakho akutsho ukuthi you are a less of a mother. You are a mother. So wonke umuntu owendileko ungumma, regardless whether unomntwana nofana regardless whether ukuthi sekabelethile nofana akakabelethi, kodwana uba nabo abantwana emzini leyo, laba bathole bakhona kuba bantwana babo. Kungakho ubunyumba bebungekho e-Afrika. Kungakho umuntu bengekafile ngathi yena akasingumma enough because of anganamntwana. Kungakho nanoma ekutheni nasewufikile mhlambe ube nemiraro yokubeletha, ama-fertility issues, mhlawumbe awurhelebheki, bayazama inyanga ekhaya, isangoma, whatever, vele awukhoni ukuthi ungabeletha, bewuba ngumma, bewuba nomntwana ozomkhulisa, bewuba nabantwana ozobakhulisa. Kodwana-ke bewuba ne-choice, bebakunikela i-choice yokuthi wena njengomfazi ukube nabantwana obakhulisako la ekhaya, abababelethako, whether babelethwa ngomncayo noma fana ngubani, ngoba ukhumbule ukuthi besingahlali emakudelana njengombana namhlanje sihlala. Mina yabona fana ukuthi wena uhlala eTofanteni, usorhulu, wasorhulu wakho kule ema-N, wasongwana kuseBronkoorspruit, besingahlali njalo, besihlala endaweni eyi-one, we were a clan. Meaning ukuthi umncayo nakabelethako, umntwanakhe bekukghonakala ukuthi umntwana umthathu, nakuqeda umbeletha bese wena umkhulisa, ngombana ukhumbule ukuthi nokubeletha bengasiyinto esatjwako, bengasiyinto eba-demonized. We were birthing kids, we were raising kids, we were a community of men and women ebekade bazi ukuthi kufanele ukuthi sibe mndeni, kufanele ukuthi sibe khona idlozi liphile ngaphakathi komuzi loyo. Bese nangabe mhlambe ukuthi unikelwe umntwana kamncayi nofana omunye nomunye umuntu okhona ekhaya pha ukuthi umkhulise, kula wena bowuthoma khona wenze isiqundo sokuthi uyakhamba uyozizumela umfazi omunye ozokungena emendwenakho bese akurhelebhe ngokuthi akubelethele abantwana. Kungakho isithembu bingasisiqundo esibuya endodeni. Isithembu akusiso samadoda. Isithembu akusi-idea eyabuya emadodeni. Isithembu, it's something that came from women. Isithembu kwakuyinto yokuthi umuntu nangabe uyakhanuka vele ukuba nomntwana begodu akakhoni, uyabetheka, kulapho bekaphuma khona akhamba ayomfuna umuntu azongena emendweni wakhe. Kungakho umfazi loyo umfazi omunye bekazunywa mfazi okhona lo, begodu nanoma ayokuphethelwa izinto zemzini loyo, aphethelwa mfazi omkhulu, akghone ukungena. Nangabe akusinjalo bekubuyelwa kuphi ekhabo lomfazi lo, bokuthatha mhlambe udadwabo ukuthi azomrhelebha. Kungakho emandulo nofana esintwini yayingekho inyumba until kwafika boNdlebe ezikhanyilanga. Manje amasikopilo angaphasi kwengoma yokwenda, make sure ukuthi umuntu akabi yinyumba nokuthi akabi yintandane. Ekutheni woke umuntu ozokwenda la ekhaya uba ngumma kimi. Nanoma umma lo ongibelethileko mina angabhubha, avuka afile kusasa, abomma laba bakhona bazongijamela nakufanele ukuthi ngithombe, nakufanele ukuthi ngende, nakufanele ukuthi ngikhule njengomuntu. Angekhe ngihlale ngithi anginama. Kungakho nelimi lethu sifuna ukulidevelopha but esinye isikhathi siyalona. Ngombana kuhle kuhle ngesintu sesiNdebele asinayo isorhulu, asinayo isongwana, sinobaba. Okutjho ukuthi woke umuntu obelethwa nendoda le ekubelethileko ngubabakho. Woke umuntu obelethwa nommakho ngumma kuwe. Indaba karhulu, kamani, nazo zizinto ezinani ne-development of language, but umma ngumma. Kungakho nomuntu obelethwa ngumanakho loyo kuthiwa ngumntamama, ngumntana kamama. Akuthiwa ngumntana kamani, akuthiwa ngumntana kasorhulu, ngumntamama, meaning ukuthi ngumntana kama. Manje-ke ekukhambeni kwesikhathi umnqopho wezinto ezinengi ulahlekile, salahleka, sabhalelwa kukhumbula ukuthi khonje lokhu besikwenzelani, khonje kuba yini kunobukhazi, why kufanele ukuthi senze ubukhazi, ukuqakatheka kwakhona khuyini. Silahlekelwe mnqopho, silahlekelwe yindlela yokwenza. We just have flashbacks of what we think is African culture. We don't have conversations where we sit down and speak about how colonialism has ruined us and what colonialism has taken from us. Because colonialism, it's not something that came into our lands and said, "Siyawuthatha umhlaba lo." No, it took away our names. It took away our language, which is the most important tool esintwini sethu. It took away our family structures. It took away our definition of things. Because nawuthi ubuntu akufana lokho nawuthi i-humanity. Ubuntu ne-humanity is not the same thing. AboNdlebe ezikhanyilanga ngekhe baba nabo ubuntu ngoba abasibabantu, abaphili isintu. AboNdlebe ezikhanyilanga kungakho from the beginning of time benza lokho abakwenza kwezinye izizwe. They've colonized every other race because abanabo ubuntu. They're incapable of being humans or of having humanity. AboNdlebe ezikhanyilanga abazwisisi ubulili, abazwisisi ukuthi nasikhuluma ngomfazi sikhuluma ngani, nasikhuluma ngendoda sikhuluma ngani. Kungakho ama-gender roles wethu bayawanyaza nofana indawo nendima thina esizakhileko ngesintu baqabanga ukuthi kugandelela. And akusukuthi abafuni, they are limited to understanding ukuthi why umsana kose ukuthi ayokwela, why umntazinyana kose ukuthi ayokuthomba. They're incapable, they are limited in spirit to actually fathom or understand ukuthi khuyini ubungoma. kuba yini abantu kose ukuthi babe nehlelo lokuphila? Abanalo ihlelo lokuphila. Kungakho nanoma batshada baqabanga ukuthi they can decide ukuthi one day they take their bags bapake baphume bathi siyibiza ukuthi divorce, like I'm done. Ngokwesintu ayikho into enjalo because kulimala izinto eziningi. Ngokwesintu umendo yinto ebekose ukuthi uyazi ukuthi you're not doing it because of you're feeling in love. Thina silahlekelwe ma-reason, silahlekelwe mnqopho wokuthi why kose ukuthi siyokwenda. Sicabanga ukuthi ukuthanda umuntu, ukuthi umuntu akuhlekise nje, yi-reason enough yokuthi umuntu umtjhade. That's not the reason. We don't understand that everything is a spiritual experience, everything is transactional, everything is energy. You cannot just decide ukuthi ufuna ukutjhada nomuntu because you're feeling in love. Akusiwo umnqopho wokwenda lokho. Thina we think umuntu akuthengela ama-chocolate nge-Valentines, then yeah, you should definitely marry this woman. Akusiwo umnqopho wokuthatha umfazi loyo. Ukuthatha umfazi nofana ukwenda uthathwe yindoda, has got to do with ama-reason wokuthi I am rebuilding a life. Angiyokuthoma umuzi omutsha phasi. Kodwana kunomuzi already ukhona umzi lo. Mina ngiyowenza ukuthi ube ngcono. I am going to rebrand the entire lineage. I am going to rebrand umuzi lo. Ngiyowenza ukuthi ube ngcono. We have forgotten about that. And that is why we are having children and we are being selfish. The only reason why siba nabantwana is because of umuntu ufuna ukufila ngcono nofana ama-reason wakhe nje atjhinga le. And kulula nokuthi sihlukane, kulula nokuthi senze into esifuna ukuyenza singaqabangeli ukuthi abantwana balimala kangangani. So isintu made sure ukuthi umntwana akabi yintandane. Kungakho woke umuntu la ekhaya omfazi owendileko othethweko bekangumma kimi. Nanoma lo ongibelethileko angafa, akutsho ukuthi bengizokutlhoga, bengizokuhlala ngingatlhogi ngombana abomma nginabo, abobaba nginabo. Manje-ke ngesintu asinayo inyumba, asinayo intandane ngombana unomndeni. Abondlebe ezikhanya ilanga abazwisisi into ye-community, into yomndeni. Kungakho nabatjhadanako batjhadana bababili, there are no ancestors, there are no both sides of the families in there included. They decide to have just one child, nezinja eziyi-17. That's why their definition of being successful, uhlala efledzini uyi-1, ube nenja, uyiphi igama lomuntu, unande uyithengele izembatho, uyiphathe kwangathi mumuntu. That's their definition of success. And we are adopting that as a nation, as African people. I'm not saying ukuthi abantu nabakhetha ukuthi babe child free, it's wrong. But I'm just saying we are losing more of what we are losing. Silahlekelwe izinto eziningi to the point yokuthi sicabanga ukuthi success it's sitting in a table full of white people and speaking their language. We think ukuthenga inja and ukuhlala efledzini that is being successful. We think having power means you shouldn't be married, you shouldn't be having kids. We think individuality is the new thing. There's no way you can survive alone. Angeke bakutshele ukuthi i-loneliness iyabulala. Because one of the things that causes depression or anxiety is actually the lifestyle ebasinikele yona, basipresentela yona ukuthi kose ukuthi siyiphile. The lifestyle of choosing to survive alone. Humans were never meant to survive alone. Humans were meant to live in communities. And communities are built on marriage, are built on idwendwe nobukhazi, not white wedding. Not in a setup where you can decide to leave because when you don't find the other person attractive anymore. Ngedwendwe nobukhazi, umuntu ngombana wamkhetha, wamkhipha la umkhipha khona, uzokuhlala naye. Nanoma sekakubhora, nanoma angasese muhle, nanoma kungasese as pleasing as it was before, but you are, because it's about community. It's about the kids that are in that marriage. It's about spirituality. It's about the wellness of everybody. So, ngikho okuncane lokho ebengifuna ukukuveza. Ubunyumba, and again, akusiyinto ebeyikhona eAfrika. Akusiligama ebesilisebenzisa. Liyihlamba. Namhlanje abafazi abanengi baphukelwa mimizi nofana bayaphuka bona ngaphakathi ngombana kuthiwa batjho baziinyumba abakhoni ukubeletha. Badinywa ilungelo lokuba bomma because abantu bacabanga ukuthi ukuba ngumma it's kubeletha. Kanti ukuba ngumma sigaba somuntu. If we trust you enough ukuthi wakhe umndeni, kutsho ukuthi ungumma. Kungakho you were introduced to idwendwe nobukhazi. Manje-ke, namhlanje abantu abanengi bayahlukumezeka because basho bazindandane, because umuntu athi umma nobaba babhubha engozini yekoloyi ngina-5 years, ngiwana, nginamuntu. Uphi umndeni wakho? Because those people are supposed to fill in your gap. I-gap yababelethi bakho, laba abakubelethako. And to never ever feel as if uyindandane, as if you're an orphan. Before white people came, abantu esizweni sakwantu akhange bafile kwangathi bazindandane. Bebangafili kwangathi baziinyumba. Even though bangayazi nesihlabi, bangasazi nesihlabi sokubeletha. Even though bakhambile bayokuvala ihlabathi, bathi la kulela umuntu lo wangibeletha. Kodwana ubuhlungu lobo bebangabazi. So adopting foreign cultures or traditions kusivulele ekutheni si-experience ipilo ngendlela namhlanje esele si-experience ngakhona. Iphasi lomile. Alienation, loneliness is eating up people because we no longer live in communities. Namhlanje umuntu oqeda ukubeletha uyagula ngokwengcondo, abe ne-postpartum depression because that woman was forced ukuthi anakelele isana. Isana aqeda ukulikhipha alinakelele bese in 3 months abuyele emsebenzini ayokusebenza. Isana lakhe alise crash. And that woman uba ne-postpartum depression. Isintu sithi umfazi akazikhulisela umntwana wakhe, ukhuliswa ngiwo woke umuntu osemndenini. Kungakho sinembelesi. Imbelesi is a woman who steps in. Nawuqeda ukubeletha uyakuthathela umntwana loyo akukhulisele yena. Bewubuye ube namandla. That's why isintu sithi nawuba nomntwana kokuthoma awukwazi ukukhulisa umntwana. You have no idea what you are doing. Therefore, angekhe sikuliselele. Sizokuba khona besinakekela umntwana, senze nawo woke ama-rituals akhona, ukumguda ihloko, yokumkhombisa inyezi, yokwenzani, konke lokho ukuze sisuse umthwalo osemahlombe akho ungabi ne-postpartum depression. Ubuye ube namandla, ubuye uphole because kufanele ukuthi uphole. Namhlanje abafazi abakhoni ukuphola, baba nama-depression layo simply because babadinywe ilungelo lokuthi baphole, bakose ukuthi banakelele amasana. There's no way you can take care of a 2-hour-old child ngapha wena uqeda ukumbeletha umuntu loyo. Now uqeda ukubeletha, you are a ticking bomb. You are not okay. But they convinced us ukuthi we can actually do it on our own. Le kuma-apartment wethu are-cold, whereby sibeletha umntwana ngiyakuhamba ngigijimele ku-apartment yami ngiyokuhlala khona, awunambelesi, akunagogo womntwana. There are no women in your family that can help you with raising that child. And then 3 months later, when you are done doing into ongayazi nawe ukuthi wenzani, awukwazi nokumunyisa kuhle, awukwazi nokuzinakelela. When you are done doing all that, you can take your child umuse kuphi e-creche bayomnikela imithetho engasiyo yakwenu. And then when that child starts to have amagulo la bangakhoni ukuwa-explain ukuthi why abantwana babanawo, your anxiety, abo-social anxiety, umntwana ahlangahlangane ekukhuleni kwakhe simply because that child was prematurely removed from the women in his or her lineage. Umntwana loyo akhange afukanyelwe babantu bekufanele ukuthi bamfukamele. Angifuni-ke ukuyenza ukuthi ibe yiti video le. I just wanted to highlight that, and this topic yembelesi ngizokubuya nayo on my next video. So idwendwe nobukhazi ne-white wedding azifani. I wrote a post, an entire post about this, so you can go on Facebook to check it out, and I'm also gonna upload it on my blog, Ikesi Yawandu. But this is the link of my blog where you can actually read. If you love reading, you can read. If you enjoy watching my face, you can subscribe ku YouTube channel lena. If you wanna read just a small snippets nyana, Facebook is there for you. But if you're watching this from TikTok, please, I'm begging you, ngibawa ukuthi uze ku-YouTube, because YouTube is more nicer. YouTube is, I mean, it's the red app. It's the red app. So, and one of the reasons why I am bilingual in this channel, it's because of the audience yami akusima Ndebele kwaphela. I have a lot of people that are following me and they're not Ndebele, they are okay basiza kancane, but ikhambi balahlekela. So hopefully if you are here and you are not Ndebele, you are not Nguni, ngizamile ukuku-accommodate, you know, even though akakabhalansi kuhle isiNdebele ngisikhuluma kakhulu ukudlula isiNgisi, but I tried ukuthi this channel accommodate. Yeah, otherwise I have the articles in English, but my priority siNdebele. Ikulumo le kufanele ukuthi siyikhulume ngesiNtu, ngoba nasikhuluma ngesikhuwa we end up contradicting ourselves. I mean, the one of the reasons why bakhona ukusilimaza ukuthi basimuke ilimi, basimuke ithulusi lethu lokuthi sikhone ukuloya, lokuthi sikhone ukuzijamela. So the moment we speak English, omunye kodwa umnqopho uyalahleka. Angazi ukuthi niyakhona ukungithola na. Into ye-colonialism is very deep, guys, to the point yokuthi even when I do things, I take note ukuthi lana la ngiyenza kodwana siseyinto leya abayi-achievileko abondlebe ezikhanyelanga, kodwana kose ukuthi ngiyenze ngombana the next person ngifuna ukuthi angizwe, angizwisise. So colonialism is that deep. Sikhuluma ngobukhobonga, at the same time sikhuluma ilimeli elisenze ukuthi sifike la sikhona namhlanje. Angifuni-ke ukukhuluma kakhulu igcine seyisilingana ivideo ede kangaka, kodwana-ke come to my YouTube channel. Please like, subscribe, leave those questions. And if you are new here and you're like, Lungile, why ukubiza igama leli? Ngikhuluma isintu mina. I'm truthful. And I'm going to use the original names of things so that you guys get to understand how serious this is. When we sugarcoat things, that's when sidlala khona. Sicabanga ukuthi umuntu uyakhuluma because of likes, because of ufuna ukuduma. No, it's not about ukuduma. This spiritual assessment is bigger than ama likes. This is i-platform engikhona ukuyisebenzisa ngiyo le, unfortunately, yi-social media. But it's not for likes. Kungakho kumele ngisebenzisa amagama wesintu, the original words. I know what I stand for, and I cannot betray what I stand for. So no matter how hard it hits to you, nangizokhuluma igama elithize, kodwa ngizolikhuluma shuthi kufanele ukuthi lihlabe, so that ukhona ukubona ukuthi into engikhuluma ngayo le is-serious kangangani, and we actually get to wake up and do something about it. So this is a channel whereby, guys, this is not a cult. You have to be critical thinkers. You have to be ready to be questioned, to also question, to do your own research, you know, because Mina, I am here sharing my light. I was chosen by my ancestors, and yeah, I'm just here to share ilwazi leli. I have a task that I cannot run away from. So ngimngoma yami ikulumo nayifikako kwabantu abaningi izokuhlaba, akusukuthi ngiyadelela, kusho ukuthi ngimngoma, ngiyisangoma, kumnyama la ngihlezi khona, khonakala ukuthi ngiyakhuluma kangathi ngithengisa ama-ice. So thank you so much. Siyathokoza ukuthi nifikile ku-YouTube channel. like, usubscribe, leave a comment. Ngiyathokoza. Ngithokoze khulu.